Hi, today I'm reviewing the NEOGEN Dermalogy Real C Vita Powder. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I will never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com or click on the Amazon link below. So I've been testing this product out for some time and finally getting a chance to review it. And this is kind of in one of the more popular categories of vitamin C powders. There's a lot. The Ordinary came out with theirs, which is very popular. Good Molecules has theirs, which is also a great option. And NEOGEN Dermalogy is getting into the game as well. So I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it based on my Sarah score scale. And NEOGEN calls this a powder form of vitamin C that contains 17% ascorbic acid, allantoin, hydrolyzed collagen, trehalose, and lemon extract. So okay, on to my first criteria, which is packaging. Obviously, jar packaging typically isn't the best for a lot of active products. However, powder like this does not go bad as fast as like other vitamin C serums. And so the jar packaging, although I recommend doing something like this, just make it a really small opening just to kind of prevent as much air exposure as you can. But overall, it's just fine. No issues with that. My second criteria is alcohol, and this does not contain denatured or drying alcohol. My third criteria is fragrance, and this does contain lemon fruit extract, which I can only assume is for fragrance. It does have a very, very, very slight lemon scent to it, but nothing overwhelming or anything like that. So this one is just a kind of a different powder in terms of like the Ordinary and the Good Molecules one, where this is just 100% ascorbic acid powder. This one just has a formula of a lot more ingredients, which I'll discuss in a moment. So it's a kind of a different product if you think about it that way. So the manufacturing location for this is Korea, so no issues with that. Ease of use. So what I really like the fact that they did is they included a little spoon. So you get kind of a comprehension of how much you're supposed to be using, because the Ordinary didn't include, I think they included just like a flat spoon with it. This one is much more accurate, so you get kind of an idea of how much you're supposed to use. Because I know I talk to people, I'm like, start with a very, 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 very small amount, but how much to that is kind of relative. So it's nice when you get a little scooper like this and you know exactly how much you're supposed to be using. So, because they mention you can use your favorite essence, toner, or serum, and include 1 scoop or 2 scoops, usually 1 scoop to start out with, and mix it. A couple options, just water-based serums, First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum, or something like the CosRx Centella Ampule, just something that's water-based. It usually works better. Something that doesn't have any active ingredients, like retinol or exfoliating acids. The simpler the formula, the better. That's why using it like in an essence or a toner is a good idea as well. So something simple, water-based usually is the best. I know a lot of people ask me about using it with oils. You can mix it with oils. However, oils don't fully kind of absorb it. So there sometimes can be a little bit of a grainy feel. So, and if you do get a grainy feel, add more of the base product. Don't add more of the scoop. Just add a little bit more and mix it just so it thoroughly, you don't want that grainy feeling. It's not fun. So yeah, mix a scoop. Mix it in your palm of your hand for 5 to 10 seconds and then apply it to your face. So yeah, so pretty easy to use. Just remember to start out small. So maybe if you have very sensitive skin and you're not familiar with vitamin C, maybe not even using a full scoop, maybe use a half a scoop and work your way up to a scoop. So it's easier to start smaller and work your way up than to overdo it and have your skin be very angry at you. So very easy to use once you get the hang of it and the concept of it. So, okay, so antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So this one has a lot more ingredients than, like I mentioned, the other vitamin C powders. It's got lactose in there and then 17% ascorbic acid. We've got allantoin, which is a good ingredient for kind of hydrating the skin. Betaine, Panthenol, collagen, water. We've got that lemon fruit extract in there, which I'm not that excited about. I wish they'd have left that out. But overall, a simple ingredient list, but I like the fact that this one's got some more ingredients in there. So if you're looking for something to really mix with something pretty basic, you've still got some other good ingredients for the skin. So I don't know. I like that they did that. They did a good job with that. Okay, so on to animal testing. So NEOGEN Dermalogy is cruelty-free, so that's always a good thing. Performance. So certainly adding this in gives your skin a boost of brightness. So I really like using these as alternatives if I want to kind of simplify my routine, or sometimes if I'm out of my current vitamin C serum, then I'll use these. It's just nice to have around as another option. Or yeah, so performs nicely, certainly brightens my skin, helps a little bit with fine lines, helps fade hyperpigmentation a bit as well. So using this in your routine will certainly, you know, after several uses, sometimes even after the first couple uses, you'll notice your skin already looks brighter. So, and adding vitamin C can also help with acne, fine lines, things like that. So performs very nicely. So the price, this is the full size, and it is $20, which is a little bit more expensive than the other alternatives. Like the ordinary, I think, is $5. The Good Molecule one is, I think, 10 or 15. So it is a little bit more expensive than the other ones, although a little bit of this goes a very long way. So a jar like this will last a long time. So it's more expensive than the other options, but still not expensive compared to other vitamin C products out there. And then in terms of the it factor, really like it. It's a great alternative, another good way to add vitamin C into your routine. Rather affordable in the long run, and you've just got a lot of nice options on customizing it with your routine or what serums you mix it with, and how you like to use it. So I don't know, I really like these products. I think it's a fun, exciting way to add vitamin C into your routine, especially for people that don't like vitamin C oils or just haven't found one that works well. This one you can use with your favorite serum or essence or toner, and it's really easy to add into your routine without any issues. So overall, I gave this an 8 out of 10, which is still pretty darn good. So anyway, yeah, I'm interested if you guys have tried this, or if you've tried any other vitamin C powders, or if you've tried anything else out from NEOGEN Dermalogy. What have you tried and how have you liked it? So definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out nobsbeauty.com, and I will see you guys tomorrow.